Addictions and overdose deaths and just people that are struggling with addiction has been growing exponentially since the early 2000s. And it most recently, since 2013, has really spiked. Every community has been affected in some kind of way or another. Sheppard is in a unique place to be able to impact the substance abuse issues of our community throughout the entire state.
8 out of 10 people are struggling also with a mental health diagnosis. And while an addiction program may help someone detox off their substance, people don't truly achieve sobriety if we don't take care of their mental health need as well.
In the substance abuse world, timing is super important because you have a very limited window oftentimes where folks are interested in changing their behavior. We're able to serve them same day or next day in most cases with both our substance abuse and our mental health treatment. We are very holistic, but we focus on harm reductions. Trust is really hard to build with folks that have been in addiction for a long time. We have peer support staff that work with us that have been through similar circumstances before.
When I expose to them that I'm in recovery myself, they can know and understand. You don't have to be ashamed. The moment I say, let me share my experience with you, the atmosphere shifts. I kind of reassure them, if you've made it to this place, then it's not over.
We have a full continuum of care, and we treat people truly wherever they are in that moment. The hub and spoke is a model where you have a centralized hub of substance abuse experts that are able to assist people with determining the appropriate level of care for that person. It frees up that high intensity services for those who really do need it, who do need to be detoxed, who do need to go into a residential program. So we can help folks get to a higher level of care if they need to, but we can also help folks get to a lower level of care if that would be most appropriate.
I had a young lady say to me, "Oh, Miss Juanita, I could never see myself being clean for 13, 14, 15 years. It just made me remember that when you're using, you stop dreaming. And so my thing is to share with them, it's still okay to dream. I got clean, I became a first-time home buyer, work, I'm a grandmother. My life is successful.
When we want to take care of someone who is struggling with addictions, we think about what will give them the best chance of succeeding. The great thing about coming to a Sheppard Pratt is every single possible treatment and treatment option is available to that person, and it's available right now, in this moment when they're ready to get help.